b with this one, right? B is equal to d minus 1. So this is d minus 1 times x naught is equal to d times x naught minus L. So d is actually going to be equal to curse you, D. Curse you. You're on both sides. How dare you? So actually these cancel, right? The dx naught, like this x naught, and that d cancel. And so we get d is equal to x naught over L. Dost thou agree? Yeah. Sorry, once we get this Green's function, then we'll call it a day. And let's see here. So then, what's B? So that's my D. So C is equal to, what is it? Minus DL, which is also known as minus X naught. Very good. And I guess one last thing, we got to figure out what B is, right? What's B? Oh, D minus 1, right? So X naught over L minus 1, which I guess we should write as X naught minus L all divided by L. Probably a better way to write that. Let's see here. So let's collect our results. We have g of x is what? It is equal to A was 0, B was this thing. So we've got x naught minus L over L times x for x naught, x less than x naught, right? And then C, which is minus x naught minus x naught. Can I clean that up? X naught plus D. Is there an x naught on both of those?
Yeah.
So we can factor x naught out? Mm-hmm. Is that right? So it's x naught times minus 1.
Yeah, plus x over L.
Can I write it in terms of division by L?
So the x minus L.
Just to complete the thought, let me put the x naught last to emphasize the pattern that's going on here. So this is g, so-called g of x comma x naught. Do you see the symmetry between, this is called the I think it's called Maxwell's reciprocity. This fact that the x and the x naught are flippity-floppity in the equation. So like, if you really believe in this, once you get to this, you could automatically write that down.
Sorry. Students in office hours made my lunch get cold.
Students are so annoying, aren't they?
I should tell them, like, don't come to my office hours. What do you?
I often say that we could get so much more done. We could teach so much more if only there were no students. Actually, that was not my saying. I heard it once in a job interview and it just stuck with me because I thought it was fantastic.
Awesome.
Yeah. That's the difference between like us and a homeless person. Like a homeless person on the street mumbling about math, mutters math to themselves. The difference between us and them is we have students.
Right. And pay.
Well, speak for yourself. Now, the really cool thing is this. Now, I guess it's not immediately obvious, but if you actually do this integration and define u by this thing, it will automatically impose those boundary conditions. U of 0 is 0 and u of L is 0. But perhaps we'll work out that from the basic principles next time. I think it uses this again, but I'm a little fuzzy. It's been a while since I did it. Anyway, thanks. I shut up.